there's no evidence that they can get the antifreeze into all those micro nooks and crannies in the brain and satisfactorily protect it from the freeze fracture effects of taking the tissue down to minus 196 degrees centigrade.